are you doing today? Today I'd like to teach you how to play the national anthem. The Nkosi Sikelel, South Africa, has been written in the key of G major. What does that mean? It means that we've got one sharp that we need to watch out for. Namely, this one. That's F sharp. I'm just going to do the notes, okay? I'm not going to focus on the rhythms because we all know the rhythm of the national anthem. Hopefully. Alright, so it starts on G, then it's F sharp, then G, then A, and then B, and then B again, and then A, G. B, B, A, B, C, C, B, 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 A, G, F sharp, G, A, B, B, A, C, B, A, G, F sharp, G, A, G, A, G, G, F sharp, G, A, G. Alright, that's quite a lot of notes to work through. I will put up a PDF underneath the video for you to have a look at. I'll put in the little notes underneath as well, what they are, what the letter names are. So you can just go to the piano and you can just play that on the piano first. Okay, the left hand, we're just going to do chords just to make life simple for you. Alright? So while the left hand plays the beginning of Nkosi Sikelel, we go with starting on E. And then we go to G. And then D in the left hand now. And then G. Stay on G. So over there we move to, over there we move to D. From there we go to E in the left hand. And then G. And then D. That's G. And then C. D. Stay on D. La is G. And then back to C. And then D. Alright, that's it. You know how the national anthem goes. Practice, 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 practice. And I'm sure you will enjoy learning Nkosi Sikelel. Thank you for joining me for today. Bye bye for now.